how to use the trading panel. The trading panel is located on the right side of the trading interface. Here you can find buttons for opening trades, setting the expiration time, trade amount, and profit percentage. There are two expiration modes on Pocket Option. The first mode is for the total expiration time, which shows the duration of the trade. You can open trades from 5 seconds to 4 hours. The second mode is flagged. It allows you to open trades with predetermined expiration time. In this mode, trades from 30 seconds to 30 minutes are available. The trade amount can be specified in dollar or percentage equivalents. The profit percentage varies and depends on the chosen asset and trade amount. The trading panel can be hidden in the multi-chart mode to free up the working area of the screen for the selected asset. To do that, just click on the gamepad button. Click again to return the trading panel to the screen. This feature is only available in the multi-chart mode. Learn more about the multi-chart mode in this video. Trade and earn with Pocket Option. Link in the description.